Alright guys, we're tubing here in the North Georgia mountains in River Falls Campground. All of that coming up next. Yay! This is gorgeous here at River Falls Campground. What an amazing spot here. Look at this. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Leslin Adventures as we continue our summer trip of summer across the South. We are leaving Camp 𝗵𝘃𝗿𝐿𝐴 in Lake Lanier, Georgia. Beautiful place, by the way. I'll put a link here so you guys can check out the video. Today we are heading towards River Falls, beautiful campground. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like our content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. So we made it here to our new destination. It's called River Falls, River Gorge at the falls. So just to give you an idea, we got here right now. It was probably about an hour and 40 minutes from Camp 𝗵𝘃𝗿𝗲 in Lake Lanier. But this is our new site for the next 3 days. Still full hookups. Very nice. And this here to makes this park very special. This view here. So this is our new backyard for the next couple of days. Everybody say hello. Hi to the camera. So this is gonna be our new backyard for the next couple of days. We're gonna try to enjoy our best here. And look at this river right here. This is beautiful. Good morning guys, another beautiful day here at River Falls campground here. Such an amazing time yesterday. We chilled here, we went tubing, and we're gonna repeat the same story today, but we're probably gonna check out nearby areas. But yeah, this place is awesome. Let me go around and show you what the campground looks like, so follow along. So this is the main entrance right here. It's right off the highway. That's your office. That's where you'll check in. That's your clubhouse, arcade room, and it's like a kind of like a lodge up there. And this is their pool as well. It's nice and clean, very well maintained. And as I mentioned earlier, that's your office right here. They'll have a small store in there and all your camping needs, you know. But you come in here, and this is where you check in, and then you're allowed to go into your site. All right guys, so once you're checked in, you'll come down on this road. You will make a right. It's a very steep, narrow road, so please take your time. I will try to show you as many sites as possible, but this is the loop right here when you first come into the right. And just to give you an idea, that's how the sites look. Fairly nice. They're kind of close together, but it's a beautiful campground. And as you can see, any rig fits here. Look at that massive toy hauler, fifth wheel, any size RV fits here. So all these sites here, they're all facing the, you could go. Sorry about that guys. So all these sites here, they're all facing the river. They're all riverfront sites, and they're all full hookups. It's very nice. So this loop here in the front, it's very, very nice. This here is like an entertainment area for activities that they do throughout the day. Last night they had a live band singing here, which is very good. And these are the remaining other sites here of this loop. That's your bathhouse right there. Very convenient located. That's to ourselves here. We saw the rest of the sites here. Very nice. Here to give you an idea of what you do get in one of these river sites. So you get all this to yourself. Nice picnic table, your fire ring, and your own private entrance to the river. So very nice, guys. Very, very nice. All right, so what I'll do now is I'll get a quick time lapse because the campground is huge. It loops around that way and it's very good, so you guys can see it. And then I'll go up in the drone. All right, guys, this campground is massive. Besides RV sites, they also accommodate cabins, tiny houses, and tree houses. Right here to the right, as you can see, it's where you can start tubing down the Tallulah River. This place, it's amazing. Definitely one of the top places in North Georgia mountains. Highly recommend this place. Alright guys, so there you have it, the full campground. Now I'm gonna try to get footage for you of the drone and the river and all that good stuff. Now look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. This is the Tallulah River and it's known for its fishing and tubing down its waters. It is just nature at its finest. Just look at this, how peaceful this looks. And right now we're gonna go hike the waterfall in Tallulah Gorge State Park. It's about a mile from here, so we're gonna bring you guys along, and thank you for watching. So we made it here to Tallulah Falls State Park. We're hiking down to the waterfall. Let's see how this is gonna be. We got Aaliyah and Jasmine with us as part of the adventure crew today. Tallulah Falls State Park here, extremely beautiful. The trail has these few observation points that show you different angles of the gorge, but we're gonna take you all the way to the bottom. Here we go. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. And we finally made it to the bottom, which is the swinging bridge here that shows you better views of the entire gorge. This was beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The trail was intense, not gonna lie. So take your time, drink lots of water, but hey, look at this. This was amazing. This speaks for itself. All right, so we accomplished that. Now it's time to go back up. That's gonna be a mission and a half.
A killer on the knees. Baby, your water.
Okay, let's bring you along. All right, so mission accomplished. Oh man, what a hike. That was a mega hike. What do you say, babe? Highly recommend coming here. Now we're gonna get back to the campground and continue our journey over there. All right, so we're gonna do some tubing right now. We're all set up here. And that's the river over there. This park is amazing. What do you guys say about this park, guys?
It's great. 10 out of 10.
Wow, guys, this is gorgeous here at River Falls Campground. What an amazing spot here. Look at this. Yeah. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Whoa, we're going in the rapid. We're going in the rapids. How do you guys liking this? Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, we're going in a big rapids here. Let's see what it turns into. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're going. We're going. Woo! Woo! This is so fun. So much fun.
Push it over there. Grab it. Mira. Jasmine, no. Oh my God, Jasmine. That's nice. Woo! Woo!
It's our site right here, how close we are to the water. That's our RV right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. And we're here. We launched tubing from back there and we just reached here. All right, guys, this place is awesome. What do you girls say about this place?
10 out of 10. It's amazing.
10 out of 10. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like our content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Say something to the camera. This is for YouTube. What do you think about this RV place?
It's cool. I like it. It's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you heard it from her, okay, guys? If she said that, that means everybody likes it. So this place is amazing.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so this is it. This is the wrap for the falls at River Gorge here in Georgia. We had a lot of fun. Stay tuned for our next part of the leg
Up to our next destination right now. Thank you for watching.